everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. In this video, I'm gonna unbox my new pair of Valentino Rockstud in leopard print. Leopard print is one of my favorite, and leopard print was so popular in 2020 fashion trend. And to me, leopard print is always in. I love leopard printed top, dress, sweater, legging, scrunchies, so and so. Valentino Rockstud shoes are very pretty, they're so comfortable, and they're one of my favorite. I was looking for a pair of leopard printed heels and I found one in Valentino Rockstud. I was so happy that I found it. I have another unboxing video of my Valentino Rockstud heels, and I'm going to give the link in here just in case if you want to check that out. So here is the box. This box is very pretty, and whenever I touch this box I feel so luxurious. And this box reminds me of red wine. I love this color. I love this box. Let's unveil the shoes. This is the dust bag, and these came with 4 little packets. So if I take that out, and this dust bag has little loop, and I like to keep these little 4 packets with my dust bag. Let's open the envelope. And I highly recommend you to read this because that gives you proper direction to take care of the shoes. And I believe the other packet has one of these two. Yes. This is another care guide, so don't forget to read this. This one has extra heel caps. Heel caps are so important, and I stored them very carefully. And I believe the other one has extra rock studs. And these are the extra rock studs. They are platinum coated. And now it is time to reveal the shoes. So here it is. I love Valentino packaging. I think the way they do it, that really helps to keep the shoe in good shape. And I don't throw these cushions away. I keep them because I like to store my shoes in the box. So if you live in a small apartment, you can use the cushion and you can store your shoes in the box and keep them in a good condition. And look at these heels. They're so pretty. And this item is sold out. I was lucky enough to get this pair. These shoes are made up of cloth, and these brown straps are leathers with leather lining. And this has their pyramid shaped platinum coated rock studs. This is 4-inch heel, and the heel is covered with big leopard printed fabric. And the bottom looks like this. So here it says Valentino Garavani, made in Italy. The serial number is in here, and the sole is also leopard printed. They made these leopard print heels with light brown straps, dark brown straps, and also with black straps. And the one that comes with dark brown strap or black strap, their heels are different than these two. And they don't have these leopard printed heels. So particularly this design has more of leopard print than the other 2 designs, and I love this. And one thing I want to mention that is this leopard design is different in each shoes. I'm going to show you the other pair side by side. So these are the beauties. They are in beige and black with brown straps. I don't like leopard print when they come with yellow, brown and black, but I love this beige and black. This is so pretty. They look good with jeans, dress, with anything. I can dress it up, I can dress it down. Usually people like to wear leopard printed heels with neutral or black outfit. I'm gonna wear my leopard printed heels with a solid colored outfit, or if I'm wearing leopard printed top, dress, sweater, or leopard printed legging, or a black legging. Anyways, I bought these shoes in size 37. Valentino shoes run true to size. I've seen some websites, they recommended to buy half a size bigger than your actual size when you're buying Valentino Rockstud shoes. I would say if you have narrow feet, you don't need to size up your shoes. But if you have wider feet, then you can go up by half size. My actual size is 36.5, but I bought in size 37. It's because when I wear close to high heels, I like to put shoe inserts in here, and I like to wear shoe sole cushion, and that helps me to wear heels for a long time. That doesn't hurt my feet, so that's a little shoe hack. And I wear my Valentinos all year round. I wear them in summer, spring, winter. I wear them with socks. I wear them with stockings. They look so pretty. And I like to wear shoes half a size bigger than my actual size because when I'm hanging my feet for a long time and they swell, so I will have room for my sole and feet, and I will not have blisters that will not hurt my feet. Not only for close to high heels but also for close to everyday shoes, I would recommend you to wear half size bigger so that it will not hurt your feet and it will not have blisters. And these shoes are made up of cloth, so I will avoid them wearing on a rainy day and when it's snowing. Other than that, I'm going to do the same thing that I do for my other leather Valentino Rockstud heels. I will show them side by side. I was talking about these inserts. I will put this back. And look at this. They're same design but different color and different material. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is the back. The heels are of same height. And these two shoes have Valentino logos in cloth, and this one is printed, so that's the difference. I bought all of them in size 37, and I will give you a quick update on wear and tear. So look at these heels. They look good. I don't have scuff marks in here. Usually people complain about this part of the heel. I have a little bit scuff mark here, but that is normal for any pointed toe high heels. And I put the sole protector on, so the sole is in a good condition. Overall, they look good. I don't have any crease. I wear them for hours, but you don't see any crease on the shoes. These heels look so pretty. And for my new pair, I'm gonna put this sole protector underneath my shoes. I'm gonna put this paper on a surface and put the shoe on it, make an outline, and cut it and put it under the shoes. So that's it. When I come home, after I take my shoes off, I clean them and I leave them for 4 or 5 hours just in case if I have sweat on my shoes. I let them dry and then I insert the cushions and I put them in box. And when you store your shoes, avoid heated areas of your house and also avoid sunlight because that is really bad for shoes. These are expensive shoes, so it's okay to take care of them. And these shoes retail for $945, and on the box you see the style, number, color, size, and all the detail about the shoes. You might find them on sale, but usually the shoes that are on sale, they are 1 or 2 pairs left out and they don't have so many sizes and so many colors. So if you're lucky enough, then you will have your size on sale. There are so many fakes or dupes of Valentino Rockstud in the market, so make sure that you are buying the authentic one. So if you find the Valentino Rockstud heels really cheap, that might not be a real one. Valentino Rockstud shoes are ruling fashion industry for a long period of time. Celebrities, princes wear their heels. They're so beautiful. Yes, they're expensive. They're good quality, they're comfortable, they're pretty. They make me so happy when I wear them. So yeah, I highly recommend Valentino Rockstud shoes. I can wear them for hours. So if you're planning to get one, then I'd say go for it. They will really make you happy. I've shared few shoe hacks, so if you want, you can follow those to avoid blisters and to feel comfortable on your heels. And yes, I'm so happy for these heels. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in comments below how do you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that makes me happy and that inspires me. And I will see you next week. Bye!